Walking kami ni Piper. We will go that way. Piper. Piper. Oh, it's cold. The other dog is somebody is Piper. You go that way, Han. Oh. You go that way because Piper is the other dog is jumping. Oh, you see? Where's the one? Piper annoyed because we have a dog neighbor here. Oh, he's jumping, he's running around. Oh, there are two. There are two of them. Walking here in our street. This is our everyday exercise. Walking. Very quiet here. We will go that way? Yeah. I thought the other way. Okay, go there, Han. Go there. Dito daw kami. Yun ang street namin doon. Yun ang surrounding namin. Yun. Malaking ano, parang casa. Itong ano, yun, yung mga grass dyan. Yung section na yun, ang may-ari ay government or council. So, hindi mo yan pwedeng galawin. Hindi mo yan pwedeng ano ka dyan ng bahay. Yung ano nila dito sa kalsada. Kasi ganun din dito. Oh, yun. Niliko tayo dito. We will be walking in the other street, I think, or here. Just in here. Dito kami. Malaki talaga ang front doon dito. Pero ang may-ari niyan, ang council. Hindi yung mga tao. At ang naglinis din dyan, ang mowing, ang council din. Minsan ang may-ari ng bahay. Hindi makapaghintay na mowing yung council. Kaya mga graso. Kasi maintain talaga dito na ano, malinis. Thank you for watching. Bye.